and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. If you've been following along, today is day 2 of our Sallie Tomato Co Box unboxing. So here I have the second gift. We're gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you the adorable gift from today. So on the outside of the box, it says day 2, the finest for you, a modern take on a classic notion adorned with beautiful pearls. So let's open up this box. And this is our first ever pincushion. Being Sallie Tomato, it was about time that we had a tomato pincushion. So we designed this pincushion to be trendy and modern, and it's also very comfortable and soft, so you can wear it over your wrist. It's a scrunchy style, which is super trendy, and it's adorned with these beautiful pearls around the outside. So you can just stick your pins into the pincushion as you're working at your machine, and if you move over to the iron or your work table, you have your pins right here handy on your wrist. So I hope you enjoy today's gift. I think it is so fun and it is so soft, and you'll get lots of use out of it. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 as we continue this unboxing series.